Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So Walmart is at it again, releasing fresh pieces as part of their free assembly label. This is the third video I've done previewing this collection. You guys, this is amazing. They just keep getting better and better with everything they're pushing out. Everything I'm going to show you today is either cotton, organic cotton, or cotton linen blend. So first up is this top here. Love, again, the little puff sleeve. This is such a darling option because denim tops are so in vogue this season. Of course, you do have the shirred neckline, and then you do have a little bit of gathering at the end of the sleeve. And it has this beautiful design in the sense that you're able to easily tuck it into a bottom or wear it out. It's just got such flow and kick to it. So to style this, I decided to go with white bottoms. I love blue and whites together, just so fresh and it just pops. The first piece I went for was this cropped high-rise pant. 13-inch high-rise on these babies, like whoa. This is like the high-rise of my dreams. It does have an elasticized waistband with a drawstring so you can get the perfect fit. It does have functional front pockets. This is such a beautiful opaque white. It is not see-through at all. Of course, always recommend wearing nude undergarments just in case. It does have a relaxed fit, and then of course that wide leg with a beautiful like thicker hem at the bottom just to give it a nice tailored look. And there are no pockets on the back, which we've said before, I prefer just because it gives your backside a really nice smooth look, like there's nothing to potentially rumple up back there and look unflattering. So the second bottom I wanted to style that top with was a pair of white shorts. These are basically like the short version of those white pants we just talked about. These are 100% organic cotton for $18. Like, can we just take a moment to let that absorb in? Oh my goodness. Another elasticized waistband. Now these are a mid-rise, but you do have the ability to use that drawstring to get a nice cinch. Again, with the functional front pockets, nothing on the back. They add this like beautiful wide cuff at the bottom just to give it like a nice tailored look. And I felt that these were just as opaque as those white pants that we just talked about. So this top here immediately caught my eye. This comes in a number of different colors, but look at the crochet work. Absolutely gorgeous, again for the price point. Love the squared off neckline, and then of course that crochet detail just continues all along this top. It's on the straps, it's across the bodice. It's across the bottom of the hemline, which also has a nice scallop. You're gonna see in a minute how many ways you can style this top, one of which included those white pants that we just went over. But another option was a classic high-rise skinny, organic cotton, 98%. Beautiful saturated blue rinse. These fit like a dream. There's no distressing, no rips, no tears, no nothing on this skinny leg. It does have a proper cuff at the bottom, which you guys know I'm a huge fan of. And then here's what's really interesting. So basically what the designer did was they created what they're calling a magic back triangle. They were extremely purposeful in how they placed the back pockets, as well as how they angled them. So it creates this like really flattering look on the derriere, which hello, yes it does. These honestly are probably the most flattering jeans I've ever had on my body. Just super comfortable on. And then the third way I wanted to style that crochet tank top was with this tiered mini skirt here. This is 100% organic cotton, and the lining is 100% organic cotton. Thank you, Jesus. You guys know how much I hate it when they slap a polyester or a rayon lining inside of a beautiful cotton dress or skirt. This does have an elasticized waistband, but I really love the fact that they went with that more tailored look in the front and kept the elastic in the back. And it also has front pockets. Super cute and swingy on. This feels like a dream. And also, one of the great things about a skirt like this is not only can you glam it up, you can totally keep it more like elevated casual with something as simple as a white t-shirt. I showed this, I think, in my last free assembly preview. This is just their basic white V-neck tee, again, 100% cotton. It is absolutely beautiful on, and it looks amazing with that skirt. They also released a romper. It came in a number of different colors, but I was drawn to this neutral shade here. This feels so expensive. Again, with that organic cotton that is so well done. Does have that squared off neckline. The tie belt is removable, and this is a 3.5-inch inseam. It's like the perfect length. You're not getting into short territory. Now this does have adjustable straps, and they're adjustable with this little button design here, which is so sweet. Now, the one thing I will say about this romper, while it does have a beautiful fit, is it has a really strange placement of the button back detailing, which basically you need to open and close in order to get in and out of the garment. I literally could not reach it. It was not happening. So I could not close this, which could prove to be quite problematic if you're out and need to use the ladies' room. Might prove to be an interesting encounter with strangers in there, which is unfortunate because this is the type of romper that is so easy to jack up for date night, but it looks just as good for a casual moment. Okay guys, and final piece in this preview, I had to grab the shirt dress, namely because I wanted to feel what this cotton linen blend was like, and it is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Love the cuffed cap sleeve. It does have functional buttons. Again, that beautiful tie at the waist, and this is a midi length. It does have a little slit situation on the side, which I think adds just a little bit of oomph. And then it's just a nice, beautiful, clean line in the back. Again, one of those beautiful options that's so easy to play around with, whether you want to wear it out for a special event or if you want to keep it a little more casual, just for like a fun weekday outfit. Okay guys, so that is it for the latest and greatest from Free Assembly. And to be honest with you, I placed another order, which is going to arrive any day now because they're literally coming out with so many different styles for the summertime. I want to get my hands on as many of them as possible so we can talk about them because I am so impressed with this line. Organic cottons, cotton linen blends at these price points is insane. I will have everything listed and linked down below for you guys to check out, but in any event, thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I hope you're having a good one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.